Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will learn how to set a publish date or an expiry date for a Fluvid video. It means if the video is public, we can set an expiry date for it. It means automatically on that particular date and time, the video will be in the private mode. Or vice versa, if the video is private, we can set a publish date and time in advance. So on that particular date and time, the video will be public. Now, to understand this feature better, we need to log into the Fluvid dashboard. Now, one important thing you need to know is that this feature is only available in the Pro plan. This feature is not a part of the basic plan. So if you want to avail this amazing feature, you need to switch to the Pro plan. So to explore this feature, let's log into our Fluvid dashboard. So here we are. Now let's take this video as an example. So I'll open this video. Now this video is private right now. So on the right hand side, you can see this option schedule video. So I'll click on this. And it's written set a publish date and expiry date for your video. So let's add a schedule. And here it's coming set a publish date. So let's pick a date right now. So today is 19th. Let's have it on 21st. So this is the date and the time. It's let's keep it 12 p.m. and schedule. So you can see the video has been scheduled. Now let's go back. And now let's take example of this video. Now this video is public. So again, let's click on this schedule video. Add schedule. So over here, the option that is coming up, it is set an expiry date. It means that prevent this video from being watched after a specific date and time. It means that once we define a date, let's do it right now. It's again, it's 19. Let's define it 21st. And let's just keep it 12 p.m. and okay. So schedule. So this means that on this particular date and time, as shown, the video privacy will automatically change to private on the set date and time. So schedule this again. So you can see video has been scheduled. So this is how we can set a publish date and an expiry date for a Fluvid video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.